trained killers! Will Indestructable Man ever die? Will we ever really care? Indestructable Man!
I'm standing here once again with Indestructable Man, who today will perform another stunt defying the limits of human physical pain. Indestructable Man, what are you going to do for us today?
Well, today, lad, I'm going to electrocute myself. I'm going to send bolts of lightning through my veins.
My gosh. What are these things here?
These are jumper cables that I've rigged up. The cable stretches out the window, down the alleyway, and into a massive 4-cylinder car.
My. What about these guys in the orange shirts?
Ah, that's the fire brigade. The network won't let me do the stunt unless they're here. The steamy bastards.
I can imagine. Are you sure you can do this?
Of course I can. I can do anything. I'm indestructible. And I can prove it.
Indestructible Man.
What are we gonna do? I don't know. Don't touch him. You're gonna electrocute him. Well, how are we gonna get him loose? Hit him with something.
I think that's got it.
Indestructible Man, are you all right?
Oh, Indestructible Man! Oh, he's so hot! Oh, so hot.
He really is indestructible.
Why did we just sit through that, you're asking yourselves? Because you're stupid! Just like Indestructible Man!
Pull my finger.